Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. My name is Parth and welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips. And if you are visiting this channel for the first time, I will request you to go to our channel page and enjoy our videos which are already being posted. You will definitely gonna enjoy it. Also hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the fresh updates whenever we upload a new video. Now to begin with, let us take a blank presentation. Now, the very first step is to format the background in the dark color. So we'll right click on the slide, go to format background, and in the solid field, we will click on black. Perfect. After that, we will add a text box. So for that, we will go to insert and then text box. And for the sake of this video, let me take a topic of being healthy. But before that, as our slide background is black, we need to change our font color to white. And now we can type being healthy. And below this, we want to write agenda. So we will press enter and then write agenda. Now this text box is looking very simple. Let us modify it a bit. So I will select the whole text box and change the font style to Oswald. And for agenda, let me increase size. Now we are ready with our heading. Now the next step is to add the subtopics which are there under your main topic being healthy. So let us again go to insert text box and here we will choose white font color, and in the subtopics you can add 4 to 5 over here. So first is physical fitness, and under that we can write some points. Now as physical fitness is our heading, let us decrease the font size of this.
Now you can modify this text box according to your convenience, like I am doing this for the font size and font style.
Now let us move forward by adding a rounded rectangle object behind this text box. So we'll go to insert, shapes, and we will choose rounded rectangle. And in the shape outline, we will choose no outline. Now let us send this to back. Now for the shape fill, we can choose different colors, but if you are bored with this by default colors which are there in the PowerPoint, you can go to this website coolors.co, and here you can explore free color palettes and you can choose whatever colors you like. And let us say if you want to grab this color palette, then you will press Window Shift S and you can take a snapshot of this. And you can paste that into your presentation. Now the key is we will going to pick this color as a background for this text box. So what we will do is, first we will click on this rounded rectangle. We will go to solid fill, and in this color option, we will click on this drop down, and here you can see that eyedropper option is there. So we'll click on this eyedropper option and we can directly click on the color which we want. Let us say I want this color, I will click this and the object color changes to that particular color. And let us keep this aside because we will going to use this for our next objects. And now let us change the font color of this to black. Now to arrange this text box and this object in the center, we will go to arrange, align and align center, arrange, align and align middle. So that step will arrange your text box and the object in the center. Now the next step is to duplicate this first text box which we have just created. So we'll select this both, we will press Ctrl D and place it right beside this. And again we will press Ctrl D twice to duplicate this object 4 times. Now, as we have duplicated, we need to change this content of these three text boxes. So let me do this quickly. Now, let us change the color of this rounded rectangle. So I'll select the rounded rectangle, go to color in the shape format, and in eyedropper, I will click on the next color. I'll do same for these two remaining text boxes. Now let us change this color of this text boxes. So I'll select the text box, go to this theme colors, I'll click eyedropper, and again I'll click this. So we're ready with our first slide. So we can duplicate this slide by clicking on this slide and pressing Ctrl D 4 times. Now we'll go to first slide, and we don't want these three objects, so we will select these three objects and hit delete. So we just want this physical fitness text box in the first slide, and we will delete this color palette as well. Now in the second slide, what we are going to do, we will remove this two text boxes. Now in the first text box, we will going to change the font color of this. So what we'll do is, we'll go to font color, change eyedropper, and choose same color as we have in the background. Now we will remove the rounded rectangle from behind. Perfect. And now as we don't need this color palette, we will delete this from slide number 2. Now as we move to slide number 3, similar procedure we will follow. So we'll change the font color of this to the font color which we have in the background. We will remove this. Similar with the second one, we will change the font color of this text box to what we have in the background. Remove the rounded rectangle, and we will remove this last object fully, as well as this color palette. And now I will do same procedure for slide number 4. And after changing or modifying all 4 slides of our presentation, there is one last step which is remaining. We'll click on Ctrl A, we'll go to transition, and we'll apply morph transition. And in duration, we can have 1 second. And we click on apply to all. And this completes our process of making this presentation. So now let us see what we have made. You can also make this presentation by using different color palette like this. Hit the subscribe button if you like this video and share it with your friends. And now it's time to say you goodbye.